Well, hey guys, if you're like me, you want to keep your pool nice and clean in the summer, either for yourself or for your kids. And we were gone for a little while, and when we came back, I shocked the pool. I also put a lot of chlorine in it, trying to get the pool back clean and clear, but it just has stayed this kind of murky color. And I want to show you a couple other indicators of what might be going wrong. If you have the two little vial test strips, it's not going to give you the complete picture. That does a good job, but it only tests a few things. I'd recommend grabbing one of these test strips. This is going to let you know a lot more information about what's going on in your pool, try to figure out those issues and how we can actually complete this. And so what was happening on ours is we were having low alkalinity and also low pH. And we were having a good thing on everything else. Chlorine was fine, free chlorine was fine, but we were having a low alkalinity and pH. And so I want to show you guys how you can actually fix that, because pH is one of the big things that you're going to need to make sure that your pool stays healthy, clean, and clear. So guys, oddly enough, if your pH and alkalinity are low, one of the things that you can use is some baking soda. You can get this larger bag at any type of store. You can pick this up. They make them even bigger than this, but this is going to help get your pool back to looking clean, feeling better, and again, you're going to balance that pH, because that's a big deal. Just like your soil, your pH needs to be correct. You're also going to need to balance your pH and the alkalinity of your pool. With this, you can just start with about a third of a bag and just kind of see where it goes, and you can do another test. But it should work pretty well. All you're going to need to use is just, again, a little bit of this, pour it in there, and then we're going to test it and see. So guys, sorry about those chickens. I threatened to turn them into chicken biscuits, and they walked away. But what you're going to do here is just put a little bit of this, maybe a third of the bag in, and then you'll give it some time, and you can test it. You also want to make sure, just like with Pool Shock, that your pump is running the whole time you do this. So you're going to just put a little bit in there, give it some time, and then come back and test. Well, hey guys, it's been about 2 hours since I put some of this baking soda in there, and I went ahead and tested it, and it actually shows that the alkalinity is in the correct range and the pH as well, which is huge. This is incredible. I mean, it only took a couple hours of this. I actually did use about 2/3 of this bag of baking soda here in order to get it back balanced. It also looks great. It's ready to swim, and I think this is a great option. If your pH is off and your alkalinity is off, this is a great option to help you kind of get that balance. So maybe then if you need to shock it again, or if you need to put some more chlorine, you can do that. And this should help balance that pool out. So again, you're ready to swim and ready to have some fun. Well, if this video was helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can like and subscribe for more pool videos, or you can even check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.